Hey everybody, welcome back to Naomi CTV. So today I'm going to be taking off my nails and I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to use, and I'll also put them in the link below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey guys, today we're going to go ahead and take off these nails. We're just gonna do this together, okay? So I'm gonna start off using the nail polish remover to remove these, because if you remember the last video, I did use a peel off gel polish, but I don't know how to take them off. Like, I tried everything and they just come off like in little pieces like this, if you can tell. So you can see it right there. I could try to take it off by hand, but it'll just probably take forever. And then we'll go ahead and clip off the nails. The only reason I'm clipping it off and not doing a fill-in is because I don't like seeing my natural nail. It's kind of just ugh to me. Let's get started. I'm gonna try to use a paper towel. I do have some cotton balls, but I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it with this acetone. And by the way, since we're all learning together, this is 100% acetone. It helps to remove nail polish, glitter polish, nail glue, and etc. So I'm going to use this to remove my nail polishes on my nails, and then also we're going to use it to remove the acrylic. And what you're going to need, by the way, is a file, I don't know, some type of nail pusher. And then you're gonna need some foil. I just got regular cooking foil and I just cut them up into some squares. You're also gonna need some cotton balls. You can get them anywhere. Foil, you can get this anywhere. You can get it at the dollar store for cheap. You can get this at CVS. That's where I got this from. You can probably get some at the dollar store for $1 and some change. And then the other products that I have, I got a lot of them from AliExpress. Here, this nail bag, I got this from cosmetology school, so we did some nails in that class. I'm gonna make a hole with the acetone. Oh my gosh, did you guys hear that? I'm gonna go ahead and remove the rest of this, and then I'll be back once the nail polish is removed. Also guys, you're gonna need some type of clippers to clip your nails. Depending on how long you want your actual nails, don't clip your actual nails. I don't think that's the best idea to do because you don't want to crack them. So I'm just gonna clip it where the real nails stop. And also with the acetone, you probably want to wear a mask. That's exactly what I'm wearing right now. So see, you know, that's just the part of learning. You miss a couple steps, you forget a couple steps. Like how the last video, I forgot to shape them. Or just pause the video in case you need to go buy something like that. That's all you have to do. And make sure you have a trash bag with you, just DIY. We're gonna go back and use the acetone and use this and go ahead and just get rid of the polish real quick. Now that we're done, your nails should be looking like this, a little bit messy and crazy. Get our foil out and get out your cotton balls. If you guys need to pause the video, go ahead and do that. Get some scissors as well so you don't, you know, waste it. You're gonna unroll it, probably just cut about half of it. Then fold it up. Get your acetone, pour it on the cotton balls, and then wrap it around your fingers for around 10-15 minutes. This is what your fingers should look like after you put the acetone and the cotton balls in the foil. We're gonna try to use this right here, and if that doesn't work, then I do have my drill. So you guys can see how it's trying to come up, which is pretty good. It's doing pretty well. And just go ahead and like peel it. It's not sticking, so that's good. Scrape it a little bit fast before the acetone dries. Be careful. But I was kind of shocked how the acetone is still pretty wet inside of the cotton ball. Cause I spilled it like almost like all over here. You can probably see some of the discoloration a little bit. It dried up super fast. And then also, guys, remember you can file a little bit of it too if you want. Now I'm gonna try to drill some of this off, just so I can get this over and done with. And turn on 4. And this isn't my first time holding a drill, but remember when you're drilling, you just hold it like a pencil. Hold it flat so that way it doesn't get hot, because it will burn your fingers, and I've had that plenty of times. I did file them a bit, and now I'm gonna go ahead re-put the acetone and the cotton balls back on my nails. And it's okay to go ahead and just reuse the same pieces. Okay, so I did like kind of rub it with the cotton on there just to try to make the process go a little bit faster, because this is taking a minute. But it's still working. You can see the layer coming off. But yeah, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see either more nail videos or other videos that I post, like mukbangs. I do a lot of stuff. Let me know what you would like to see from me. We're doing good. I'm gonna put this back on again. And honestly, I love how my nails grew out a lot, but I know I can't wear them out because I think they kind of break easily.
The French Riviera Glow by L'Oreal Paris. I'm worth it.
If you're a woman between 20 and 30, this is your sign to get into remote high-ticket sales. And here's why. In high-ticket sales, you get contracted out to coaches who hire you to sell their program. So what that actually means, practically, is you...
As I get better, I'm sure I'll figure out like other methods that work for me. And I heard that they have acetone bowls that you just stick your hands in. I'm finally finished for the night. I'm gonna go ahead, put some oil on these nails so that way they don't dry. And this is cuticle oil, by the way. I'm back, guys. So the nails are finally done. I'm gonna go ahead and just let my nails breathe for a little bit, for a couple days, until my next order comes. I had ordered some stuff for my polymer powder and my monomer liquid, so that way I can start actually doing the acrylic process on my practice sheet before I start on my actual nails. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just regular polish my nails. We have Reveal Nail Clean Slate Peelable Base Coat. I'm going to use a thin coat, by the way. Y'all, I just forgot that I bought this nail lamp, and I'm over here talking about let me let it dry. Let's go ahead and unbox this actually. They had a different color, but it was a different kind of pink. I didn't get the one that I wanted, but it's okay. Darn it, I guess there's no USB. Can I charge it? Okay, so it's got a cord, that's good. So I got an extended charger. Let's see if this works. Okay, awesome, it works, guys. I think I only paid 12 bucks for this. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, if you're looking for a bargain, you have to shop at AliExpress online or Shein sometimes. But the only reason that I say that is because with the currency with the US versus them with other countries is kind of cheaper for us. So that's the only reason why I buy out of the country. We're gonna let this cure for 30 seconds. I'm so glad I have one of these. Y'all, I had a blue light little lamp thingy, but it did not dry my nails at all or work. Y'all, it worked. I'm so glad. I'm gonna use this extreme wear. It's blue. I'm not sure what shade this is, but we're gonna try blue. I've never done blue nail polish before, but yeah, I really hope I like this. Okay. It's cute or whatever. Me too. In the comments below, let me know what your favorite nail color is. What's your favorite color and what's your favorite nail color? Because I know everyone has a specific color that goes with their skin tone. And for me, I always go with pink. That's just my favorite color. And then I recently tried gold, like you guys saw. It was a pink as well, but I think because it was a little bit older, it started to look gold. So I got a gold nail polish and I thought it was just so cute. Maybe I'm into gold now, who knows? But yeah, my favorite color is pink and my favorite nail polish color is pink as well. Now I'm gonna let this cure again for 30 seconds. I am back, guys. So these are what the nails are looking like. My left hand looks better than the right, but I had to do 3 coats on both hands. But other than that, this is what the nails are looking like. And I'm just gonna let them rest a little bit until my packages come, so that way I can start practicing on the acrylic, and then we'll be doing that together. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And then I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.